Hello everyone. I, Dr. Priyanka Pradhan, am thrilled to dive into AI in digital marketing. Let's talk about what we will cover today. The American Marketing Association defines marketing as the activity set of institutions top 5 tools for AI and digital marketing. Let's talk about the broad fields of digital marketing. Firstly, search engine optimization (SEO). Marketing thought leader Philip Kotler once said, "The art of Hello everyone and welcome to our session today. I, Dr. Priyanka Pradhan, Assistant Professor, School of Business, Sushant University. I am thrilled to dive into one of the most dynamic topic in our field, AI in digital marketing. Practical applications for 2025. Our goal is to explore how artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword but a practical tool transforming digital marketing. Let's talk about what we will cover today. We'll start with foundation definition of marketing, digital marketing and artificial intelligence. Then we'll discuss the AI revolution in marketing, followed by digital marketing strategies and AI integration. Finally, we'll touch upon top 5 tools for AI and digital marketing that are free to use and conclude with our next step in this evolving landscape. Let's begin with the very essence of our field. The American Marketing Association defines marketing as the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Basically, all the stakeholders of the organization. As someone rightly said, marketing is no longer about the stuff you make, but about the stories you can tell to your customers. Digital marketing gives us powerful new ways to tell those stories. Digital marketing is simply the use of digital or social channels to promote a brand or reach consumers. This can be executed on internet, social media, search engine, mobile devices and many more. I would like to quote the definition of Cannon and Lee given in 2016. It put it as an adaptive technology-enabled process by which organization can communicate and deliver value to all the stakeholders. Globally, digital ad spending is projected to reach over 700 billion USD by 2025. It highlights the scale and the importance of digital marketing. Let's talk about the broad fields of digital marketing. Firstly, search engine optimization (SEO), where we can optimize our content to rank higher in the search engine results. Secondly, social media marketing. It is the best platform to engage with our customer and build a good brand presence. These platforms are like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. Now, let's talk about the next tool, that is content marketing. It is the best platform to create and distribute valuable, relevant, consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The next one is email marketing. It is a tool where we can build relationship with our prospect customers by sending email marketing campaigns. Now, the last one, but not the least, paying per click (PPC) advertising, running paid ads on search engine and social media platforms. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. It offers great opportunities for marketers to be more effective and personalized. This means customers can get relevant content. But trust me, AI doesn't replace the roles and efforts of human. It is a technology that complements and enhances those, but it requires human skills to be used effectively. AI, it's about teaching machine to simulate human intelligence, to learn, reason and solve problems. You can use it every day. For example, when Netflix recommends a show, it has learned your viewing habits and is reasoning about what you might like. Again, we can discuss the next example, that is Google Maps. Google Maps finds the fastest route during the peak hours of Gurugram traffic. It is using AI for complex problem solving. Let's talk about AI revolution in digital marketing. When these two fields, digital marketing and AI, collide, it's a revolution. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a core business asset. Its impact is threefold. First one is efficiency, second one is personalization, third one is decision making. AI automates repetitive tasks. Some of the marketers have reported it can save an average of 4 to 5 hours per week by using tasks like data analysis and content scheduling, etc. Now let's talk about personalization. This is a key. 80% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase from a brand that provides personalization. AI makes personalization possible at a massive scale. Decision making. It can analyze millions of data points to predict which marketing campaign will perform best before even launch them. Let's talk about digital marketing strategies and AI integration. Let's look at these specific strategies for 2025. I would like to recommend two strategies. The first one is hyper personalization. AI analyzes browse history and purchase pattern to create a segment of fun. A great example is Zomato, which uses AI to analyze food ordering trends in real time. If it sees a spike in searches for biryani in a specific neighborhood on Friday, it can help marketing team instantly launch a targeted biryani promotion just for the user in that particular area. Secondly, AI powered content creation. Generative AI tools are now a marketer's co-pilot. They can draft ad copy, they can draft social media posts, and even video scripts. Many digital marketing agencies across India now use tools like Jasper or Copy AI to significantly speed up content creation for their clients. Now, AI gives you three different captions. And instead of just posting them, you can enhance your strategy. You can decide to use one caption for Instagram post, another for Reel, and third one for targeted Instagram or Facebook ad. Testing which format works for you. You can also educate and upskill your team. In the next meeting, you can share your results. Dedicate 30 minutes for everyone to try a similar prompt. This small weekly exercise builds your team's skills and confidence in using AI tools efficiently. A recent study showed that over 60% of organizations believe a lack of AI skills is a major barrier to adoption. Investing in training is investing in your future success. Let's talk about top 5 tools for AI and digital marketing. The best part is that you can start for free. The first one is Gemini. Google's AI model is fantastic for brainstorming and content generation. I would like to give one tip. You can ask it to act as a marketing expert and write 5 creative Instagram post ideas for Diwali sale, and you can get some interesting posts. Next, Canva. Its AI features can generate images and design entire posts from text prompt, which is a massive time saver for creating visual content. The next one is Google Analytics. The AI powered insights feature is invaluable. It automatically flags important trends such as a sudden traffic increase from a new city, helping you spot opportunities you might have missed. The next one is Grammarly. This is an essential AI assistant for ensuring all your marketing communication is professional and error free. The next one is Writer Me. If you need a high quality of ad copy or a product description, you can use the free trial of the Writer Me app. Let's talk about your next steps. Where do we go from here? The future of marketing with AI is already here. Let's make this practical. Imagine you run a small boutique in Galleria Market, Gurugram. Here's how you can start with the AI today. Experiment with a small task. Open a free AI tool like Gemini. and give it a simple prompt. Write 3 exciting Instagram caption for a new collection of summer kurtis. The tone should be elegant and target women aged 24 to 40 in Gurugram. Focus on strategy, not on automation only. It's time to conclude our topic. As marketing thought leader Philip Kotler once said, the art of marketing is the art of building relationship. AI gives us new tools to build those relationships more efficiently and at scales. But the human element remains paramount. Thank you so much for joining this deep dive into artificial intelligence in digital marketing. I hope you find these insights, practical application, and free tools recommendations valuable. Thank you so much once again.